Hello students. Today's learning topic is chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Okay? Introduction. Metals like gold, silver, carbon, copper, etc. and non-metal like mercury, oxygen, bromine, etc. are classified with the help of the chemical properties. Okay. First, chemical properties of metals. Is reactions of metals with oxygen. Metal react with oxygen to form metallic oxide. Okay. Example: iron exposed to air and water form is called iron oxide. Yes, iron react with oxygen plus water is form rust and hydrogen. Okay. And second examples of magnesium ribbon bonds in air for producing magnesium oxide. Example like magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Okay. And another examples, copper exposed to moist air, it's formed copper oxide. Okay, this is the properties of reactions of metals with oxygen. Okay, to understand the nature of oxide formed by metal, that is acidic or basic. Okay, let's perform an activity. If in a solution red litmus paper turn into blue, that the solution is basic. Okay, and blue litmus paper turn into red, that the solution is acidic. Okay. Next activity to check the nature of rust. Material: rust, water, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Take a spoonful of rust and dissolve in a small amount of water. Okay, and take this water or mixtures in a test tube. Okay, then after shake well the test tube, put the litmus paper in the test tube. Okay. Observe the color change of the litmus paper. Now, observation. The solution of rust and water change the color of red litmus paper to blue and blue litmus paper does not change the color. Okay. Conclusion. Rust are basic in nature. Okay. Next activity. Check the nature of sulfur dioxide. Material. Deflagrating spoon, sulfur, water, and blue and red litmus paper. Okay. Take a small amount of sulfur powder in a deflagrating spoon. Okay. Heat in on a candle flame. As sulfur start burning, introduce the spoon into the gaseous jar. Cover the lid. This one is lid. And ensure that the gas produced does not escape from the jar. And add a small amount of water in the jar and cover the jar with the quickly with lid. Okay. Shake the gas jar well. Test the solutions with red and blue litmus paper. Observation. Blue litmus paper change into red and no effect on red litmus paper. Okay, that's why sulfur dioxide is an acidic oxide in nature. Okay, sulfur react with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide, and sulfur dioxide react with water, it forms sulfurous acid. Okay. This activity is examples of non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides which are acidic in nature. Okay. Next chemical property is reaction with water. Let us see how metals and non-metals react with water. Okay? Through the activity. To understand the reactions of sodium metals with water. Materials, water, piece of sodium, metal, filter paper, cotton cloth. Okay, take an 250 ml beaker and fill it with half with water. Cut small pieces of sodium metal carefully. Dry the piece of sodium metal. Wrap in small pieces of cotton cloths. Put the wrapped sodium pieces into the beaker. Containing water and observe carefully. And test the sodium solution with red and blue litmus paper. Okay, now observation: sodium metals react with water and catches fire. Yes, the beaker becomes hot during the reactions. And the solution turns red litmus paper into blue, but no effect on blue litmus paper. Yes. Now conclusion: sodium metal react with water and produce basic solution. Okay. And metals react with water to form alkaline solution with release of energy in form of the heat. Okay. And non-metals do not react with water. For example, phosphorus highly reactive in air, but phosphorus do not react in water. Okay.